Optimizing the sale, the real estate attorney. As a seller, having a great real estate attorney is crucial to success. As an attorney myself and having worked with probably 100 real estate attorneys over the years, I can tell you one thing is for sure. Finding a good one is worth its weight in gold. Number one, how should you find one? Well, first, why don't you start with your broker? Ask them for their favorite. They'll give you someone who's going to get the deal done for sure. Number two, as a seller, the role of the attorney should be first and foremost to help consummate the deal. The way to do this is by being responsive, being non-confrontational, and doing what's needed to get the contract signed. Too often, attorneys lose sight of this. When a seller hires an attorney that doesn't specialize in residential sales in New York City, you tend to see a much slower pace and a higher likelihood of disaster. Number three, our biggest complaint, lazy or slow real estate attorneys that are not responsive. There's nothing that kills a deal momentum like a slow attorney. If your attorney is not sending out the contract of sale within 24 hours of the deal sheet going out, you're going to be in for a long ride ahead. And so having a deal maker on your side that's not only responsive, but can handle issues in a way that makes both sides happy is a must. Attorneys should facilitate their clients' goals, not become an obstacle. Number four, I can't emphasize this one enough. It's so important to have a great real estate attorney if you want to see your deal to completion. No deal is seamless, and having a patient voice of reason who can offer solutions to problems is a trait only seen in the top tier. This is Todd Vitolo from the Columbia Vitolo team at Compass.